question is explain why some fibers are called synthetic. And the answer is some fibers are called synthetic fibers because they are made by man using chemicals. Second question is mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it has silk-like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fiber can also be woven like those in natural fiber. And answer is it is obtained from wood plume. Third question is fill in the blanks with appropriate word. A. Synthetic fiber is also called dash or dash fibers. And answer is man-made or artificial fibers. B. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from a raw material called dash. And the answer is petrochemicals. C. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also a dash. And the answer is polymer. Fourth question is give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. And the answer is the following examples indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. First is they are making perches and ropes for rock climbing. Second is they are used in making seat belts, fishing nets, tie cord, a string for sports racket and musical instruments. Fifth question is explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. And the answer is plastic containers are favored for storing food because of the following reasons. First is the plastic do not react with the food stored in them. Second is the plastic are lightweight and are strong. Third is they are easy to handle and safe. Sixth question is explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. And the answer is thermoplastics. These plastics are softened on heat and can be bent easily. They do not lose their plasticity. Examples are polythene, PVC, etc. Thermosetting plastics. These plastic with model ones cannot be softened again. They lose their plasticity. Examples are bakelite, mineral. Seventh question is explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. A. Saucepan handles. B. Electric plugs or switches or plug boards. An answer for A. Since thermosetting plastics are bad conductors of heat and do not get heat up while cooking, they are used for making saucepan handles. B. Since thermosetting plastics are bad conductors of electricity and the electric current does not pass through such plastics, they are used for making electric plugs, switches or plug boards. Eighth question is categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Telephone instruments, plastic toys, cooker handles, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic balls, plastic covering on electric wires, plastic chairs, electrical switches. And the answer is can be recycled. Plastic toys, carry bags, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electrical wires, plastic chairs. Cannot be recycled. Telephone instruments, cooker handles, ballpoint pens, electrical switches. Ninth question is Rana wants to buy a shirt for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. And the answer is he should buy cotton shirts. This is because cotton has made more capacity to hold moisture than synthetic clothes. In summer we have extended sweating which is easily soaked by cotton shirts and hence cotton clothes are much better than other clothes made of synthetic material. 10th question is give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. And answer is the literal meaning of non-corrosive is resistant to get destroyed by chemical action. Following are the examples that are shown that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Plastics do not react with items stored in it. They do not get rusted when exposed to moisture and air. They do not decompose when left open in the long period. 11th question is should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. And the answer is no. The handle and bristles of a toothbrush should not be made of the same material. This is because The gums are soft and the bristles should be made of soft material so that it does not harm the gums. On the other hand, the handles must be made up of hard materials so that it can give firm grip. 12th question is avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. And the answer is plastics must be avoided as far as possible. The materials made of plastic are non-biodegradable. The use of plastics has a bad effect on the environment. When the plastics are burned, it releases a lot of poisonous fumes into atmosphere, causing air pollution. These plastic materials, when eaten up by animals like cow, choke their respiratory system. This can cause death of these animals. The waste plastic articles thrown there and crash into dirty water drains and sewers and block them. In nutshell, plastic can be considered as threat to our environment. 13th question is match the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. A. Polyester. And the answer is fabric. It do not wrinkle easily. Second is Teflon. And the answer is used to make non-stick cookware. Rayon. And the answer is prepared by using wool plug. Fourth is nylon. And the answer is used for making patches and stockings. 15th question is describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is poor conductor of electricity. And the answer is arrange a circuit as shown in the given figure and leave a gap between two ends of the wire. A thermoplastic in gap. Observe the bulb. It is observed that bulb does not glow. This shows that thermoplasticity is poor conductor of electricity.